Hello guys, welcome to my first video on my channel. Today I want to explain a little about UNJ, which is where I study now. Let's go, come with me to see what is interesting here. Before it, I want to introduce myself first. Hello, my full name is Hamdan Adib Prihardian. People often call me Adib. I am 18 years old. In this year, I became a geography education student in Jakarta State University. Before that, I studied in Jakarta at 49 Senior High School, majored in natural science and mathematics. The reason I chose geography education as my major because when I studied in senior high school, I was very happy with the geography class. So, I want to learn more about nature on this earth. My hope in the future on campus is I can participate well, both internally and externally, and also make good relation with anyone. What I mean in internal is academic activity, and external is an organization. The reason I choose geography education as my major because when I studied in senior high school, I was very happy with the geography lessons and I had a passion on it. So I want to learn more about nature on this earth. I am very interested to read some articles or social media accounts about geography science in my free time to increase my knowledge, because anything that we do in this life certainly related to the nature. I just want to share knowledge and hope I can be a useful person for the people around me. Since I was a child, I always think that if we don't protect nature, then who else will protect it? Jakarta State University, or also known as UNJ, was founded in 1964, which started as a government's effort to increase the quality and quantity of teachers, and then established a Teacher Education College, or PTPG. PTPG Jakarta is integrated into FKIP UI, and then FKIP UA changed to IKIP Jakarta on May 16, 1964. In further developments, IKIP Jakarta was given an expanded mandate to develop educational and non-educational science in the university. IKIP Jakarta was changed to Jakarta State University, or UNJ, on August 4, 1999. Based on Presidential Decree number 93 of 1999. However, Jakarta State University anniversary was celebrated on the same birthday when IKIP Jakarta established, which is May 16, 1964. So now, as a first year geography education student, we still learn a lot about the basics on this art. We spend 5 days a week studying 9 courses with 22 credits. We start on Monday at 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. learning about cartography or mapping. On Tuesday, from 7 a.m. till about 10 a.m. we have a geology lecture. And then we have lecture on Wednesday about Pancasila education from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Rural geography, learner development, and Islamic religious education we learn on Thursday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Meanwhile, meteorology and climatology, basics of geography, and also English we learn on Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. too. And among that, there are a few minutes to rest. We can take breaks on Saturdays and Sundays, but sometimes there are some training or aspect that we must attend. So this behind me is the FIS library, also known as the FIS reading room. This library helps students who want to find some additional sources of knowledge. We can read it there. This library is located at the first floor, number 103 to 104 of K building, and it has operating hours from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is the Central Library, or also known as the UPT Library. This library is located on A campus, and it has the same function as the FIS library, but the collection here is more plenty. UPT Library consists of 6 floors. Apart from being a source of knowledge, it can be used to hold seminars. The Central Library is open to public from Monday to Thursday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So this beside me is the G building. G building is one of the oldest buildings in UNJ, just like the FIS building, which was formerly the UA Psychology Place. This building served as a gathering place for UKM in UNJ. This is the Ki Hajar Dewantara building, which has 9 floors with operating hours from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. This building can be used for various purposes such as seminars, teacher certification, micro-teaching, and public lectures. So, this behind me is the K building, which is located near the Youth Gate of UNJ. This building is the FIS building, or a place where FIS students to create, speak, tell stories, and develop academic potential. This building has facilities such as lectures, canteen, laboratories, mosque, etc. This building is open from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Yes, this is the UNJ Monument. UNJ Monument is the identity of A campus and the main spot for taking pictures. From new students to old students, they will take pictures here to celebrate graduation. In addition, behind this monument there is a small hill called as the Teletabis Hill, which is used by students for discussions. Okay guys, thank you for following my vlog today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.